Hey guys, welcome back to Emmy and Sprinkle. Today I'll be showing you how to breed bunny rabbits. Also, they spawn basically everywhere, and it's so cool. But usually you don't see them everywhere, but they do spawn everywhere. But they're just rare, kind of rare. But in the desert, I find them everywhere. Okay, back to the thing. So, and we're just gonna spawn in 2 rabbits. You're a baby. There, that seems right. We're gonna want to feed them carrots. And then see, they're gonna go dance. And then there's another baby. Aww, they're so cute. Okay, and there is other colors, I think. Oh my god, there isn't. Only if you could die, bunny rabbits. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, bye guys.